friends, we still want to solve more questions on laws of chemical combination by examining this question on the board. This is a practical question on the laws of chemical combination. Look at the question. An element X forms the following compounds with chlorine. That's XCl4, XCl3, XCl2. This illustrates the law of all the laws on the board. But let me explain some things. Last class we have explained law of conservation of mass. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed during chemical combination, during chemical reaction, but changes from one form to another. But today we want to see the application of law of multiple or variable proportion. And the law states that when two elements combine to form compounds or to form more than one compound, then the mass of the elements of one that combine with a fixed mass of the other are in simple whole number ratio. And that is what we have seen illustrated in the question. When two elements combine to form more than one chemical compound, look at the chemical compound SCl4, SCl3, SCl2, then the mass of one element that combine with a fixed mass of the other element are in a simple whole number ratio. And that's what I've stated now is called the law of multiple or variable proportions. And that is the answer we are saying right away. Law of multiple proportion. That's our answer here. The information I've shared here now is very, very important. You need to share this information to the less privileged students. There are some parents, there are some students that are bereft of this information. Let this information go viral. See you in my next video. Bye.